Sometimes, being a village kid, I find myself forcing myself to do crap I don't know how to do because it's my house. I should be able to do it. That's the mixing valve from behind the shower. What a mess. It was already leaking. It was breaking. These pipes here. I don't know how much they had to solder to get that damn thing to fit in there. And now we got this. And so far it's not leaking. Most of this was from construction. Here's what it was before. Just monitoring it to make sure it don't leak.